Hi viewer, today I would like to show you all how to use level features on Instagram stories. Let's have a look. First, open your Instagram app. Make sure your Instagram app up to date. From your Instagram homepage, tap plus icon on top left. Now on bottom right side you will see some options. Tap story. This will open story camera. On the left panel you will find the new level feature. Tap level. This level tool which will help you to ensure that you are holding your device straight before taking photo or video. Point your device toward your subject and a level will appear on the screen. As you tilt your device left and right, the level will move and show you how far away you are from holding your phone straight. Tilt your device until the level line is straight and a yellow rectangular appears on the screen. This lets you know you are holding your device level. Now you are feel free to take a photo or video. Take photo and add more stickers on your story. Then you can post it. So these are the steps to use level features on Instagram stories. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.